Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to set a specific image into a home screen widget. Start by installing Widgetsmith or a comparable photo widget app. Grant photos access so the app can read images. Next, pick the widget size you want, small, medium, or large, because that determines the cropping and layout. Once done, create a new widget instance inside the app and name it so you can find it later. Make sure the album or single image you want is ready and visible in Photos before moving on. Now you'll configure the widget instance. Open the app, select the size you created, and tap Edit. Choose the photo option and then pick either a single image or a custom album. Selecting a single photo locks that image in place. Adjust the scale and alignment so the subject isn't cropped awkwardly, and save the widget instance with a clear name. Once saved, exit the app and get ready to add this configured widget to your home screen so the system shows that exact photo. Place the widget on your home screen. Long press empty space, tap the plus icon, find Widgetsmith, and add the matching size. After adding, long press the new widget, choose Edit Widget, and select the exact instance you configured earlier so it displays your chosen photo. Make sure it looks correct and tap the widget to test any tap-to-open behavior. If the image doesn't appear or updates incorrectly, check Photos permissions for the app, update Widgetsmith, and reboot the phone. That resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.